In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly install a motion activated security light. Please read the security procedures or the security awareness in the box that of the light you're going to replace before you start, because electricity can be very dangerous. Now, what you're seeing here is the old one. I previously installed this one, but that was about a decade ago, and it doesn't work as good anymore. It takes time for the motion sensor to activate. So I'm going to replace it. You go to the electrical box and you look for the zone, the switch for the zone where the security lights is, and you turn it off. That means that it will kill the power. Okay, there will be no electricity. Or you can just turn off the switch, the individual switch that turn on this light, and that's what I'm going to do. But for your own safety, you can just go ahead and look for it in your electrical box and turn it off. The motion. And then these are where you put the lights. You just have to assemble this. See this little screw here, and you unscrew it and you allow this to go in, and that's what holds it. And then see here, these are the loose wires here. That's the one that we mess with. You got the this colored one, and you got the black one and the white ones. So it will be the same up there. Okay, you unplug when I take this out, and that would be the loose wires. So those here, you don't mess with them. Okay, you don't mess with any of this, and this is the bracket. That's what holds this up to the wall, and it comes with the seal here. It goes around. Around here is to prevent water from getting in. Also, I will be using a caulking material. Because the caulking seals it, give it a perfect seal. So now I have to break the caulking. There you go. There you go. As you can see, those are the two I'm going to mess with. Those, no. See, the black and white. Now, the problem I had before is how you gotta remove this. Gotta remove this and place this in the center. That's the old one. It's being replaced by this one. See, the old one has this top, and this one doesn't have it. And it's this new one here. That's where the ground goes. All right, this is the replacement bracket, and see, and this is the ground. Okay, that's the ground. As you can see, that's the ground, just like you see here. Okay. All right. So if I can plug the ground here if I want to. that. It has no power. You see, it has no electricity because I turn it off. See the ground, I can, yeah, put the ground here if I want. See black, black with black. Now we have this here. Let's see if it'll fit in. Yeah, it should. Let's see if it'll get it perfect. Yeah. Yeah. See white with white. The ground wire goes here. This is ground, and this is here is also say ground. And then just put all these things inside. Gotta put this up, but you can see I forgot to put this, but I can always cut. Okay, cut it because the essential thing is it just goes around here to make a perfect seal. Okay, like this, like this. All right, it's like this, and then we got the screw. It has a seal also, and goes in. See here, tie this. Okay, it's really easy. To get these, so you have little knobs on the side where you tie the knob and it makes you see. So you can move this wherever you want it. These are the knobs. And this goes in here. See inside. Here we go. And you can move this where you want. I'm going to test this. That's why you set the range. Always read the manual to see how this works. So the test, there's a little point here, the test, let me test it to see if it works, because remember, this is a motion, so at night, but now to turn this on, you have to put it on on test. Well, now you can see it is working. So that's the test. I put it on test, but yeah. But later when I'm done, I'm just going to put it on for how long I want the light to stay on. Okay, so now let's see. I'm gonna move back from it, and you'll see. You see that it goes off. That's because it's on test. And move. See, now I'm put myself near this thing, near the motion detector, and it's on. So I'm gonna move away. Okay. All right, again, you see, so if you were here, you got 1, 5, and 10 minutes. Depends how long you want the light to stay on after you, yeah, after it comes on or it detects motions. Okay, so this is how you install, okay, a motion detector light. So what I'm going to do now, gonna put caulking. It doesn't matter. This is white. It doesn't matter what color, as long as it matches or it blends in with the paint. I'm gonna put this around so when it rains, the water won't go in. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching.